All right, so if you're new to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you might be wondering what is the difference between real names and pen names. And today I'm going to break it down into 3 different categories so you can be really clear on what direction is next. The first category is freedom, the second category is branding, and the third category is privacy. All right, so a pen name allows you to not let anybody know what you published. You guys know, if you follow my videos and you don't fast forward through them, you know I like intermittent fasting. I've done a 10-day fast, and all of 2022, I did fasting every single day, 14, 16, 18 hours. Now you guys know I'm a business coach and I teach self-publishing, so I really didn't want to coach anybody on fasting like in a program because I already have stuff that I love inside of marketing. So I hired a ghostwriter and I actually put it under a pen name and published the book, hired someone to do the audio, and it's generating an income stream. So like, I love the freedom that I'm getting by not using my name. Now, if you go into Google, you go into Amazon and you search my name, you're going to see that I didn't know this in the beginning. So I was just like publishing all the weirdest stuff under my name, and you can't actually take that off. I actually should ask Amazon again, but it's just out of print. So think about the freedom you gain by using a pen name. It provides the flexibility to try different genres, niches, and different categories. The real important thing for freedom of expression as this first key point is that when you do use your name, you can connect the author's work to the true identity, and that increases authenticity. So I put the Radical Authenticity Guide under my name, Jenny Hansen Lane. The next book that I'm writing about, not being a people pleaser will be under Jenny Hansen Lane as well. Okay, so I'm saving my name for my personal brand for that freedom of expression. Okay, so numero dos. Number 2 is branding and marketing. And some of the notes that I want you to remember is that a pen name can be chosen if it fits a genre, to an audience, or the author's brand. And for those of you that have existing businesses, please let me know in the comments. If you have a domain name, you can actually publish as a business under that name, and Amazon takes search optimization very seriously. So they want to rank their books, they want to rank their site. So they do that, and they show up on Google, which is so powerful. Okay, so thinking about using a real name in your branding and marketing, think about the significance of being aligned for your personal brand. Okay, some people that's not important, and something that I learned from one of my book writing coaches is that it is so powerful to be able to write your thoughts versus write what you know. A lot of people ask me like, when are you writing a book about how to write a book? And I'm not sure that will fit under my personal brand, because I specifically come from the background of like business coaching and marketing, and I have a lot of ideas about mindset that it might make more sense to put under a brand, right? Under one of the names of my coaching programs or something. So that is an aspect that I really like about Amazon KDP, is that you can really move between pen names and real names. Okay, so for number 3, privacy, pen name, it's that layer of protection, right? It allows you to separate your interests. That's one of my favorite things. Like, I'm multi-passionate, maybe you are. I like fasting. What else have I done? There's some religious books that I've done. And the niche that makes me 6 figures, it is something that I learned in high school, guys. And my husband's always like, let's build a whole brand around this, but it's not a current passion that I'm like, hey, sign up for my email list. And so that's where it stops. It just builds an income for my book income stream on Amazon. And then I like to focus on building a community with people like you to learn about publishing. And I love sharing about publishing and staying updated with publishing. And so that's why I actually publish, not so much to I like expressing myself, right? Like that form of expression and freedom is one of them, but I like the privacy element of it, because if I'm not going to build an email list, it's kind of nice that I have a random pen name that actually turned into a keyword. Okay, so the benefit of privacy is that it creates that recognizability, right? So it's less about privacy, but more about authority when it comes to that. So I wanted to share this video because you guys always have questions about pen names, and you guys know I'm obsessed with pen names, and I talk about pen names all the time. Even the Bible, the scriptures say like, name your kids. Well, this is a little bit deeper doctrine, but you name things that you want to be known for. I named my kids certain names so they would do good based off of who they were named after. So as someone that loves ideation, I have helped create many pen names. And it's fun to see my members publishing and looking up their pen names and seeing these little things live out in the wild on Amazon. So you should stick to under 9 pen names. If you can stick to 3, my hat's off to you. Do not create 38 pen names like me. It's a lot to handle. It's like having kids. And I actually would rather have kids than pen names if you made me pick. But here we are with 3 kids. So let me know what questions you have about understanding pen names. And some of my favorite books, Atlas Shrugged is actually a pen name. Anne Wren is actually, it's short. She has a full, long name. Beautiful. So just think about that. Don't ever not publish because of that. People get hung up because they don't truly understand that there is a lot of privacy involved in self-publishing that you can leverage. So please like and subscribe this video and share it with people that are interested in self-publishing. As you guys know, my goal is to help 1,000 families learn how to self-publish in the next 2 years. So thank you for being here. Love you guys. See you in the next video.